Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. There's a hood system connect tubes. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. From edge to edge, it's about like a 28 inches by 28 inches. And the depth, it is about like a 20 inches deep. For the inner side, it is about like a 26 inches wide and 26 inches long. And also on the edge of the hinge, for this length, is about like a 28 inches by 3 inches. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.